Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you with another unboxing where you get to see it, almost feel it, and sometimes get to hear it before you buy it. Hit that like button right now, doesn't cost you a penny, and leave a comment, helps us out big time. And you can always leave another one at the end of the video. We're talking today about B2 audio. It can never be too loud, and these are the new RAGE8P. This way you can see it before you buy it. With B2 Audio, you have the Riots, then the Rages, the Rage being the upper model. And in the woofers, you have Rage XLs, then it goes into Rampages, and then X2Cs and on there.
Wow, so many options.
So, look at this bad boy right here. I think what grabs my attention is the size of this chrome
Impressive.
bullet, right? And people have went towards bullets, which actually change the direction of the sound, the frequencies, which you get a wider range. But this thing is beefy. Now, I look at some speakers and I say, hey, basic little magnet and driver, cone, etc. But this thing is a beast. What really blows my mind is the mounting depth on this. And it's really slim. Now, I'm not really sure how they're able to do that, but it's done. I mean, it's almost like a little woofer, but this thing is upgraded. You got push terminals. We have a red spider, and we're gonna look at all this stuff. Now, the voice coil is actually a 2.4 inch. Frequency response, 87 hertz to 10 kilohertz. It's a 300 watt RMS speaker, and they are 4 ohm. Now, all of the loudspeakers from B2 Audio, a European brand out of Denmark, there's really not mid-bass, mid-range. They are called full range, which means they play the full spectrum. And every one I've hooked up has blown my mind, and I think this one will too. Now, they're also sold in pairs. And I know some companies sell singular, some sell pairs, but for $249.95, you're getting a set of these.
Wow, now that's a good deal.
It's just a beast. I can't even explain it. Let's do some measurements here. Let's get the old trusty caliper, because the mounting depth, let's do it this way. The actual mounting depth is right under 3 inches. And it's really cool because the slug is actually really thin, but it's really big this way. And the reality is, the actual slug is 0.6. Now, up here, there's even like a foam, where normally you have the grill insert, but there's foam protecting it also. Sweet like a Danish, 2.4 inch. Now, saying these things could take up to 600 watts. Now, of course, that's peak, but I bet you if you run 300 to 400 real watts, this thing, it is gonna scream. Scream! And it's got a 98.7 dB. Now, looks like this is coated, and I believe it is UV and water resistant. That doesn't mean this is a waterproof speaker, because there is a gap in there. And I'm gonna get the up close and personal to take a look. Let's get this thing straight. So you see, there is a gap, so water could get down there, but I think the coating is more for obviously UV, sun, and then moisture, okay? But look at that spider. I mean, it's just a tough spider. And I love the red. Okay, so we have a single tinsel lead, push terminals, which looks like a solid 12 gauge. This thing is just really, really cool looking. Okay, so kind of jumped ahead because I normally unbox it. And again, I want to remind you, these are sold in pairs for that price. Let's look at some parameters here. Beautiful packaging. I like how they do that. You don't have to worry about this thing getting messed up. Some screws. And then we have a pamphlet here. Let's see, overall diameter, 8.3 inch. Baffle cutout, 7.13. So there's a lot of cone area here. Mounting depth, they have it as 3.05. Total depth, 3.35. Net weight, 3.41 kilograms. So basically 2.2 times that. So this thing is over 8 pounds. Pretty crazy. And then they do give you some specs here, but the chart is off the chart, meaning this thing plays from low all the way up. So best thing we got to do is we got to hook this thing up and see what and hear what it sounds like. And I'm going to think even free air, it's going to have a tremendous amount of mid bass, and it's going to have a full spectrum where it almost sounds like a tweeter hooked up. And for $249, you're going to expect the B2 audio quality for this thing to scream. But man, just look at that right there. That's just a cool looking beefy speaker. So let me do this. Let me hook it up on the old tester bencher and let's get some music playing through this. I want to hear what this thing sounds like, just one of them. I'll be right back. Bam! We're back. Check that out. Now, it's really hard for you to get a full grasp of what I'm seeing on a video, but I mean, it's just a monster. Now, other B2 audio loudspeakers, full range, that I've tested have blown my mind because it sounded like I had a tweeter hooked up. I'm going to think this thing free air is going to have a ton of mid bass, which I don't know how you can hear that very well through the video unless you have like earphones in or what. But the bass response will be crazy, and I bet you we're going to hear some serious vocals. So what do we have hooked up? I have an 800 by 4, which means technically, at the very best, I have about 100 watts coming out on a full range Martz Digital, one of their new Brazilian amps. So simple, nothing major, but let's go for it.
Big sound.
Oh,
Turn it up.
ready.
Let's go. Roll up to the spot, let the speakers pound. Big Jeff Audio, yeah, we shake the whole town. Amps on blast, got that B2 heat. When the bass line drop, man, it knock you off your feet. Wires tight, power right, voltage never low. When we crank it past the limit, watch them decibels grow. We ain't playing with the volume, we just bring that thunder. Every ride sound massive, make the whole block wonder. Big sound, big bass, no cap, all facts.
Okay. Give me a second, because I was not expecting that. And generally, besides hooking up at lower volume, I wasn't even ready. And I'm going to tell you, that has a full range. And I could not even imagine if this thing was in some type of door or enclosure, what you'd get out of it. And we're not even really even opening it up because I'm just using that small 4-channel, which is a 2 ohm, which means I'm not even getting the full power out, which tells me super efficient, that you don't need a ton of power. But I got to think if you were to give it that 300 plus watts, you would get it. Let me think here. Man, listen to this.
Want that vocal, we supplying all that vocal. Roof is good, chance I can give you me. When you out on big tracks, you can feel that beat. Big sound, big bass, no cap, all facts. If you want that vocal, we supply.
Incredible. Incredible. $249 for a set of those. They also make the RAGE8P. Same design, smaller, I believe, same motor structure and everything. So that's even more of a beast. So here's some of the qualities. That thin, shallow mount, that huge bullet, it almost like you have a tweeter hooked up. That's incredible. So mixing this with like the B2 Audio P4s or something like that, it almost makes you like, that's too loud. So I really would love to hear this in a box with proper power. So let me go over and do a quick recap of this. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So something definitely playing down in that upper 80 hertz range with a ton of mid bass, all the way up to 10 kilohertz, which you're getting in the tweeter, definitely vocal, if not tweeter. Shallow mount. It's like this is like a little mini sub loudspeaker. Really cool. 4 ohm, $249 for a set of these, and there also is a RAGE8P. If you want something really loud, and I'm not going to name other brands, but you have other stuff in that price range that this is definitely comparable to, if not better, in my opinion, and I've heard those. So check this out, bigjeffaudio.com. Big shout out to B2 Audio USA for putting this on, and B2 Audio International. These are definitely in stock. We got tons of them, more coming. And if you want something super loud with a ton of mid bass, mid range, this is it with this red spider. One more thing I just noticed, turn on the up close and personal. That's just cool in there. there's the copper coil, and then let me see if I can. It's got even venting. So the coil's in the motor structure, in the magnet, and above that is like a ring around the coil with that red spider. This is just an incredible design. Okay, listen, y'all want to try this out? It's a RAGE8P. You just type in RAGE8P on our website. We'll have a link to the product here, that and 6P on the video. Man, every time I plug something that has B2 audio, it really blows my mind on one, the quality, the design. Maybe not your cheapest price range, but I mean, there's other stuff out there in that $250 range that I think this blows out of the water, and I would love to hear it. When y'all buy it, make sure you email in some photos and video to shout out. That's S-H-O-U-T, shout out, O-U-T, yeah, shout, S-H-O-U-T, shout, and then out, O-U-T, at bigjeffaudio.com, and we will shout you out. Man, get a set of these. We're still in March, the end of March. Stuff is even cheaper, so you can get that. If not, normal map is $249.95, and I'd love to shout you out. Listen, I'm Big Jeff from bigjeffaudio.com, representing B2 Audio. It can never be too loud. Thank you for watching the video. Leave a comment. Man, like this, subscribe this, follow us wherever you watch on, and share this out. I really appreciate it. I'll see you on the next video. This was an easy one. Man, crazy. B2 Audio can never be too loud. I'll see you.